morning! Good morning mga palangga. So maglilinis tayo today. Tingnan niyo, sobrang daming kalat. So maglilinis tayo today kasi tutulungan daw ako ni Mister. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya na I'm not feeling well. Yung throat ko is sobrang painful when I swallow. So sabi niya na, okay, darling, I will help you. So mabait ngayon si Mister. So let's go down and nagpapatunog siya ng jukebox. Hindi ko na lang kayo dadalhin para hindi ako ma-copyright. So, ipa-fast forward ko na lang siguro or iwan ko ba. See, nagpapatunog siya.
There's so much stuff in here, these start to be used up. That's why all goes out there. Stop buying anything else until used stuff up. Okay? We've got all this stuff in here. In there. Oh my God. Those we don't like, we can go out. Right, so we don't need.
Why do you like shooting, Han?
It's just something I grew up with as a child, and then just, I don't know, I just enjoy being in the outdoors and doing something, you know. I like the challenge of trying to shoot targets because some are very difficult to shoot.
So that's his addiction, mga palangga.
It's not an addiction though, not anymore, it used to be. It used to be.
That's your addiction because you buy a lot of stuffs and then expensive stuffs, and then it is.
Oh, why is it expensive? Yeah, but the thing is, right?
It is expensive stuff. You really like, that's your hobby.
I haven't spent anything expensive. I bought a very cheap gun.
Oh yeah, very cheap.
Alright, would you like me to just show you, darling? See, if I was going to be really serious about it. Right, these are used, that's a used Beretta, 6,600. There's a used Krieg off there, 7,000.
Would you like this in the thingy, in the Christmas?
No, what I would actually like is a SO10.
Where is it?
But you don't have the money down because it's about £86,000.
I'll buy you a toy then. Gosh, so wag kayong bumili ng mga baril, mga palangga, mga shotgun, oy.
10,000.
Ang mahal.
Nice.
Bumili na lang tayo ng rice.
Look at all these young girls shooting.
Yeah, there's a lot of young girls shooting though. See? There's a lot.
Come on.
You leaving me again, Mister?
I'm not leaving now.
He's going to shoot. Meron pa siya dito mga palangga.
Right, okay.
Okay, bye-bye. I love you.
Love you too. Oh yeah, should be there in about right.
Enjoy.
I will, darling.
Enjoy your day. Bye.
Won't be long anyway. I'll lock you now.
Yeah, bye-bye.
You don't. You got all vegetables you want, haven't you?
Bye-bye.
Bye, darling.
Enjoy.
I will.
Take care.
Sleep well.
I will. I will have a snooze. Bye. Hello mga palangga. So, nakatulog ako mga palangga. I really had a deep sleep nung, gosh, hindi ko namalayan na umuwi si Jan. At I really could feel that my body needs a siesta. So, ayun. I'm happy for that na nakatulog ako. So, anyway, mga palangga, magluluto tayo mga palangga kasi yung oras dito is 3:30 na ng hapon at we will have a lechon kawali tonight and ano ba? Anong tawag nun? Chop suey. Pero this time, yung gagamitin ko is prawns. Hindi ko alam kung okay lang ba. First time ko na gumamit ng prawns. So, I hope na okay. So, papakuluan ko muna itong pork belly. So, yung pork belly, mga palangga, pinakuluan ko siya ng bay leaves, peppercorn, salt, and yun lang yung nilagay ko. At itong recipe, natutunan ko siya sa Panlasang Pinoy. Naihanda ko na yung mga ingredients, mga palangga. So, gagamit tayo ng carrots, repolyo, red bell pepper, ano bang Tagalog nito? Pero hindi ko alam kung anong Tagalog. What?
Nothing, darling.
Nakalimutan ko kung ano ang Tagalog. Nakalimutan ko kung ano ang Tagalog nito, pero tinatawag nila dito na moon stew, broccoli, at of course, yung pinakita ni Jan, yung prawns, onion at saka garlic, at gagamit din tayo ng corn flour at cooking oil. At yung pork belly ko, kumukulo na siya. So, I will just let it boil for another 15 minutes. And then, magsisimula na ako na lutuin yung rice ko. So, magluluto na tayo mga palangga. Igigisa ko yung sibuyas at bawang. So, dahil gumamit ako ng prawns today mga palangga, hindi ko muna siya isasama siya sa gulay. Kukunin ko muna siya and I will let it rest para hindi naman siya ma-overcook. So, ito na yung prawns. So, igigisa ko lang yung repolyo at carrots. Igigisa ko sila ng about 2 minutes. Then, tapos lalagyan ko siya ng kaunting tubig. So, while naghihintay tayo na maluto yung vegetable, kasi ayaw kasi ni Jan na half cook, pero I prefer na crunchy pa yung vegetable. So I will try to like make it into balance na hindi siya sobrang crunchy at hindi naman siya sobrang well done. So anyway, ita-transfer ko na yung pork belly. Lalagyan ko siya ng salt mga palangga. Gagamit din pala ako ng Knorr liquid seasoning mga palangga. There are few ingredients na hindi ko nabanggit sa video, so kayo na lang bahala. So ito na yung update at yung rice, malapit na siyang maluto. So ayun na, excited na ako. Sana magustuhan ni Mr. Sarap-sarap. Tingnan niyo. See. We are both hungry.
Hungry's not in it, darling.
Are you hungry, Han?
Oh, yes.
I hope you like it, Han.
You know I like it.
Try
I
it.
always like it. You know this. Let me test.
Is that alright?
Oh, yes. It's so delicious. Reminds me of back home.
Prawns.
There's lots of room on my plate. Why do you put perfume on? Can you tell me this?
I did not put
Don't
perfume.
give me that shit.
Look at that. Look at the mano.
Don't give me that shit. I can freaking smell it.
I did not.
You have.
I didn't. Mga palangga, you can smell me, but... Let's go.
I'll have a bigger headache now. Where's your coat?
I don't need a coat.
Darling, I can assure you, you'll need a coat.
Gosh.
This wench doesn't listen to me.
This man is just so annoying.
I will be. If you carry on not listening to your husband.
No, you're not listening to your wife.
Okay. I'm telling you because I care and I don't want you to get cold.
Yeah, it's getting cold na. So, anyway mga palangga, pupunta kami sa mother-in-law ko kasi it's her birthday. When is his birthday? Her birthday?
Sometime this year.
Sometime this year. I think 11th of August.
It's around the 11th of
Yeah, 11th of August. So, pupunta kami. And, sobrang busog ko kanina mga palangga. Sobrang sarap ng chop suey. And, si John, he really did enjoy the chop suey. What is the face?
I'm joking, yeah. Did I enjoy her chop suey? Yes, I did. Beautiful. I love you. And don't forget. Come on, darling. It's recording, she says. She's getting her boots.
Can you just have a look at the screen? I don't think I am in there.
Oh yeah, she's in there.
I changed my mind because
See,
it's freezing.
because she's actually now decided to listen to her husband, who doesn't know best, who's not lived here all his life and knows what the weather's like at this time of year. See,
This boots is
£2 from Oxfam.
Yeah, no. I bought this in New Look 3 years ago.
Can you put your legs
And
down?
I paid this, I think, £19 in New
Come on,
Look, and
let's do
it's
one.
still going, which is very good.
What's this for?
And naghahanap ako ng new boots. Pupunta siguro kami sa charity shop kasi kailangan ko din pumunta sa charity shop para ipon ng mga ipapadala. Until now, hindi pa din ako satisfied sa mga ipapadala ko.
Near's busy, can you smell?
Gosh! It's very smelly. Our neighbor sprayed mock. Is it? They call it mock?
Slurry.
Yeah, slurry. Whatever is that. I don't know what is that. But as in, it's very smelly. But it's good for the ground. That's what they said. Good evening mga palangga. So nandito kami sa Sesto. Naghahanap kami ng flowers para sa mama ni John.
Yeah.
You think that's fine? Yeah, that's fine. That should be fine. Yeah, so ito yung flowers. So we're sorted. We're running late mga palangga kasi nakita namin yung kaibigan namin. At
We
ayun,
don't need anything here. We don't need
chika-chika
carrots.
time. We need a broccoli. Oh no, not broccoli. I keep saying
Look,
broccoli. It's cauliflower.
How much is this one?
Oh,
It's £1.60.
one.
And this one is quite a nice little one. It's £1.
Okay.
She's not observing, she's shopping. Now,
We are home. Don't forget the flower inside your car. And my jacket, please. So, ito na yung card na nabili namin para sa mother-in-law ko. Well, sa mama ni John. It just say, Mom. At bumili din kami ng flowers para sa kanya.
darling, I buy you flowers.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
This is not mine. So, bumili kami ng lilies para sa mama niya. We will remove the price. Okay na yan. Uy, kasi sabi nga nila, it's the thought that counts. So, ayun. Wish ko lang sa kanya na she will have a good health and more birthdays to come. So, I will just put the groceries away mga palangga at babalikan ko kayo. Kasi kailangan ko pang mag-edit. Diyos ko, nakatulog kasi ako kanina.